Hi, welcome to another Create in 10. I'm Jess Reazin with Joyful Creative Co. And today we're going to do an activity where we flip the idea that less is more. And today we're going to do more is more. So I'm going to tell you what to do. You'll get to see me do it if you want. And then at the end, I'll show you exactly what this turned into for me. And you don't want to miss that. So stick around till the end, see what I've created, and let's go ahead and get started. All right, so instructions for today. Take 5 to 10 minutes, get a piece of paper or an iPad or something that you can create with, and pick one subject to create. For me, this was birdhouses because I was sketching out ideas for some artist trading cards for birdhouses for a swap that I was doing. And artist trading cards is just something that I do for fun to stretch my creativity, and it is low pressure because it's just for personal use, and I'm not selling it, and it allows me to connect with other creators and just enjoy the process of making and looking at other people's art and being able to collect some of that. So I'm going to show you now. You can hit pause and set a timer for 5 to 10 minutes and just create something of your own. Pick one subject, make as much of it as you can. We're going for quantity over quality here. And the reason for that is when you go for quality, your brain narrows in and you really focus on getting just the one thing. And that is good sometimes. But when you are trying to expand your creativity, it is helpful to get as many ideas out as possible. And you actually create better ideas that way. If you create one thing or even 5 things and you try to make them the best that they can be, then your brain isn't allowing itself to explore new ideas. If you make 100 things and your goal is to get 100 things drawn, sketched, made, and then you go back and you look at those things, there are going to be ideas there that you wouldn't have had if you were busy working on making it the most perfect that it could be. And then you can take those ideas and you can work on making them perfect if you want to. But remember, this is just for fun. We're not selling these things. We're not showing them to others unless you really want to. I'm the only one here showing you my crazy sketches. But I'm going to go ahead and play that for you now. And you can pause it and then come back at the end if you want to see what I made. Or if this was enough to get your brain jump started, then that's fine too. We're just here to get your brain going and your creativity flowing. So, all right, here we go. Let's create. All right, now that you've had some time to create and or watch my video of me sketching out birdhouses, let's see what I made. So I already sent these trading cards out in the mail by the time I got around to recording this video. So I am just going to show you here on the screen. These are the birdhouse artist trading cards that I made from the ideas that I had sketched out. And I loved that I was able to play with some composition, like where things were, what to include, that sort of thing when I was sketching, or what shapes or sizes of birdhouses I might want to make. Where if I just sat down to do perfect cards, perfect birdhouse illustrations from the start, they would all look the same and they'd be kind of boring. And like I said, these are not perfect. These are just for fun, just for me to explore creatively. And I hope that you had some creative ideas of your own. Be sure to like and subscribe this video for more and share with a friend if you think they could use it. Also, go ahead and check out the next video linked here for you. And I hope to see you again soon. Wishing you many joyful creations.